In 2025, the landscape of digital storytelling has evolved dramatically, driven by advancements in technology and a surge of creativity among content creators. Social media platforms like Instagram, once dominated by static images, have embraced a dynamic shift towards video content, transforming the way stories are told and experienced. With the rise of AI-driven tools, creators can seamlessly convert images into engaging video clips. Imagine an application that scans a series of photos, analyzing the emotions and themes captured within each frame. Using machine learning algorithms, it generates a narrative arc, pairing images with music and voiceovers that resonate with the intended mood. This empowers users to tell rich, layered stories without needing extensive video editing skills. Augmented reality has also played a pivotal role in this transformation. Creators can overlay animations and effects on their images, bringing them to life in ways previously unimagined. A simple photograph of a sunset could morph into a time-lapse video, showcasing the transition from day to night, complete with ambient sounds of nature. These tools not only enhance visual appeal, but also deepen emotional connections with the audience. The impact of these innovations on storytelling is profound. Audiences are no longer passive consumers. They engage with content that speaks to their experiences and emotions. The ability to transform images into videos allows creators to delve deeper into narratives, crafting stories that resonate on multiple levels. This shift encourages a more interactive experience, where viewers can comment, remix, or even contribute their own images to ongoing narratives. As creators harness these new tools and techniques, the digital storytelling landscape becomes a vibrant tapestry of shared experiences, inviting audiences to not just watch, but participate in the unfolding story. The possibilities are limitless, and the future of storytelling is as bright as the creativity fueling it.